Hello, e-commerce enthusiasts. This is TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to explore e-commerce mastery, the power of modern payment systems in the credit repair business? In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of e-commerce payment processing with around-the-clock domestic assistance. We are here to help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Understanding credit card payment services. By partnering with reliable service providers, credit repair businesses can offer their clients the convenience of paying with credit cards, leading to increased sales. Harnessing the power of high-risk payment gateway. High-risk payment gateways offer robust risk management tools and fraud detection mechanisms to ensure that transactions are secure and financial risks are minimized. The significance of merchant processing. Merchant processing involves the acceptance, processing, and settlement of payment transactions, ensuring smooth and efficient payment processing. Exploring e-commerce merchant accounts. E-commerce merchant accounts provide a unique identifier and a platform to manage payment transactions. Tapping into the growing potential of CBD merchant processing. Partnering with processors specializing in CBD merchant processing can expand customer base and provide seamless payment experiences. Unleashing the power of credit card payment processing systems. By embracing advanced systems, credit repair businesses can streamline payment workflows, enhance transaction security, and provide a seamless customer experience. Optimizing payment processing for enhanced customer experience. Implementing reliable payment gateways and integrating with e-commerce platforms can automate billing, secure customer data, and generate transaction reports. Embracing e-commerce mastery in the credit repair business. Embracing powerful payment systems will position your business as a leader in the digital realm, providing a superior payment experience for your clients. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you're looking for top-notch payment solutions for your business, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for watching.